Hi friends, welcome to my channel DTech Koday. So in this video I gonna discuss about decision tree algorithm. So decision tree algorithm is a basic algorithm in machine learning. So in this video just discuss how machine learning works and implementation of machine learning. How decision tree works and the implementation of decision tree algorithm. So let us start our video. Before going to the implementation, I just want to say how decision tree works and all. Let us see how decision tree works. This is a basic decision tree principle on it works. So let us see. So in this we have to say is that person fit or not. So using decision tree principle, how it classify is that person fit or not. Let's see. So is a person fit if age is 30, less than 30, if age is less than 30, if yes, if he eats a lots of pizzas, and this is also true, he is unfit, and this is false, he is fit. And if age is greater than 30 means age less than 30 is false, exercise in morning, and if yes, he is fit, and if no, he is unfit. So decision tree works on the principle on yes or no type questions. So decision tree means, the name itself says that decision means it takes decisions on particular parameters to classify the data in whether yes or no type questions. So in that way decision tree gonna work. So let us see how decision tree is implemented. So in last class I have told you that whenever we have to apply an algorithm on a dataset, we have to split the dataset into train and test model. Yes. So for train and test split, we have to write these two lines of code. So X train X test, Y train Y test. So train test split. So from sklearn.model selection import train test split means this will split the given dataset into X train X test, Y train Y test. So X train and Y train is used to train the model, and X test and Y test are used to test the model. So let us see what is the data frame I taken. So what's the data set I had taken. So this is the data set I had taken. So these are sepal length and sepal width, petal length and petal width. These are different types of flowers. So using decision tree algorithm, I want to classify which type of flower is it by seeing these parameters. So my model gonna decide which type of flower it may be by seeing these parameters. So these parameters are sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. So let us see the implementation of that here. For implementation of decision tree, we have to import the tree from sklearn. From sklearn import tree, and we have to add decision tree classifier to dt and dt.fit. It will train the X train and Y train data. So from sklearn import tree means it will import tree. So dt equal to tree dot decision tree classifier means it is a model we had assigned to dt. So dt dot fit means with decision tree algorithm it will train the X train and Y train data. So with that we have predicted the accuracy score, that is 97.777. So this is the accuracy score when we use decision tree algorithm. So this is about decision tree, and with this picture you can clearly understand how decision tree is successful in classifying with parameters of flowers. So let us see. So basically it takes petal length as a parameter first, and it is gonna classifying each and everything flower so with its parameters. So here petal length less than 2.5, if true it is Iris cytosa. If petal length is less than 4.95, or if this is false, it will check this petal length is less than 4.9, it will. So all the left side branches are true and all the right side branches are false. So if this is true, it will check this petal width and say it is iris versicolor, and if it is false, it will check petal width and once again and say it is iris versinica. Like that it classify flowers. So this is how we gonna classify about which kind of flower it is based upon the parameters like petal length, petal width and sepal length, sepal width. Hope you understand in this video. In further classes, on which parameter it has taken first and the Gini index and another parameters in further classes. If I said all of this in a single class, it will be very confusing for you. So let you understand basic things of decision tree so that you gonna do much more things in further classes. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.